Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne, Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday. um, Welcome, Tom.
Hey, Brian.
Let's do this to start with. So, welcome to the Sly FOREX analysis session. Just noting any trades discussed in this group are classed as educational only. That's because we're people of each other and we are not financial advisors. So, please don't take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a full risk disclosure. Little bit about us live session traders. So let's have a go look at these pairs. Been a bit of movement. Have you got into any trades yet?
No,
You
I'm
weren't
still
in there.
not in anything. Then
Still not? Okay. So cool.
there's a couple I'm just dying to get into, but I'm not in them yet. I'm being patient as hell.
it's
Call me
it's
patient zero.
difficult, isn't it? All right, yeah.
It's
So
difficult knowing and having to wait.
it's difficult knowing and having to wait.
Right.
Okay, gotcha.
You know what I mean?
Well, yeah, I do know what you mean. Yeah, I just didn't hear it properly. That's all. I just thought I'd clarify what I heard. So the AUD CAD still selling that. It's just, playing around. We're now going into, well, I'm on Tuesday. Your Tuesday, Wednesday sort of turn. Um, we'll see how the market goes with this. It hasn't necessarily, well, if I had to finish the trade out here, it would have been good at, 2.5% or something. But it's pulled back up and now it's pushed back down. We'll just see. As
You're
I
still in
said,
it, right?
yeah, still in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
This is one of the ones
still.
I'm looking at to get into.
All right. Okay. I'm only up like, 55 pips or something. So it's not, look, if I put it there, if I go to where it is, like I'm only not even a percent on it, but that's,
You
yeah.
see where your white box is?
Which one? The one down
That
the
one
bottom
below.
here?
Yeah, that one right there.
Yeah.
You want to fix that real quick on that bottom
Yeah.
gold bar? Yep, that right there. That's where I'm setting up for it to come back to.
Yeah. Okay. And I think that will only really fully happen when the interest rate cut comes in. And I don't think it's next week. I think it's the Tuesday week after. So I've got to wait another week and a bit. But I think it's just setting itself up and just, sideways a bit before it goes like, "Toot," and does that drop. So where is that over there? Yeah, it's over here somewhere. All right. Um, AUDCHF is slightly different. I've been in that for a while. A good, 5% on that. It's just done a little pull up. I think it'll also drop out and potentially break the low down here. But we'll see. We're below the trend now. It's like doing its little up and down, up and down. It could potentially even come back up to here, to this line here, and then drop off. Anyway, I'm still sitting in that and 183 pips or something. So been that for a while, but it's consistently been downtrending, so it's all right. Okay, AUDJPY dropped off again last, but not very much. I mean, it's sitting there. Oh yeah, these JPYs. Yeah, I actually felt that was going to pull back up. It did pull up and then it's dropped back off again. It's got more to go, I think. Hmm. Oh, look at that one. ADNZD. No, it's going back up. Yeah, just like you said, Tom. It's
Yeah,
done the pull back, now it's pushing back up again. Eventually, though, I think we're going to get that downtrend, but it's crossed over here. The trend bars are crossed over. Looks like it's going up.
got to make a new high.
Yeah, and then pull and then go out. So then sell out, sorry. And I think again that'll be like the interest rate cut potentially have an effect on that. It doesn't tend to have a big effect, but it definitely will have an effect. 80 Singapore. Now you don't trade this. I don't like it at the moment. That's all right. AUD
Ooh,
USD.
look at.
Oh, sorry, go back to Singapore. Yep.
I was gonna say, look at your setup. You got the short on the daily.
Yeah, I know.
Fix your fib.
I think it's gonna no, that's where down there. Yeah.
Okay, so look at those three right across that white bar right there at the top.
Yeah.
One, two, three gold bars just sitting there. So,
Oh, that's wrong. Yeah,
so
thanks. Sorry.
a combination of things that says short on the daily.
Yeah, I
You
know.
have to assume your indicator's right, or there's no reason to have it on your screen.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's right on this side, you're looking because you created the low now. That's a break
Mm-hmm.
of structure.
Yeah.
It pulled back, made a new high. In order to keep going down, it's got to make that the high. And this 80, the 619 right here,
6019, yeah.
anywhere in there, anywhere, and you get a gold bar, you're looking to sell it out.
Yeah. Yeah. But I think it will pull back up though to there
That's what I'm
before it
saying.
so yeah,
That's what I'm saying. Anything that pulls back
yeah,
up into the zone, you're looking
yeah.
to sell out.
I agree.
The only thing that would keep you from selling out of this is if you get a long on your daily.
Oh right, yes, yeah, over here, you mean? Yeah.
Yes.
Hmm. Yeah, like
So
a long
that
like
is
that.
the first two gold bars on the left are the equal highs. That's the low. So it
Yeah.
accumulated, manipulated. Now it's going to disperse. You just swept the high of the
Yeah,
double
yeah.
tops.
Yeah, these
This is
ones.
going to create a head and shoulder situation where it's going to push, push up, sweep all the liquidity, push down, not break these three because that's the liquidity it wants. It's going to pull back up,
Oh
make a
right,
double
yeah.
bottom here. When
And
it
then
goes into the
drop.
619, it's going to push out and sweep
Yeah.
all this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sweep back down again. Yeah. But it's gonna take
That's why I
really
said leave that fib there. Don't get rid of it just because
no, no, no,
the
no.
trade
That's
didn't hit
okay.
it the first time.
Yeah. I haven't got. Oh, wait a minute. I still got the order there. I've still
Oh, do
got the
you
order.
really?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's 85 away. So let me just change all of that because I'll hang on. Let me find a short out there. I know you don't like that, but that's how I'm going to do
No, it has nothing to do with me, man. That's all
it.
you. I'm
You
just
know,
watching what you're
no,
doing.
I know it's all me. So that's where I'm at. So 83898. Yeah, it's very different. 898. How many away are we? Oh, still 60. Okay, that's all right though. And then 84118. 84? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, still 68 pips away from, but I think it will pull up. Yeah, could even pull it. That's all right. And it's yeah, sell limit. Okay. Yeah, cool. Done. Redone. Okay. AUD USD. It's changed direction. She going back up. What's the what have we got here? No, it was unemployment stuff. Okay, nothing there really to. Yeah.
Can I make a
Look,
suggestion?
yeah, go for your knife.
Put your fib on. Right there.
Yep.
Anything that comes up into that zone and doesn't beat that gold box, you're looking for a sellout. Because
You mean
this is the
the gold line? Yeah.
right, because this is the double
Mm.
top. See the double top?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Right
Bang.
there. You
Yep.
you just swept the liquidity breaking structure.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
push
yeah.
back up, swept that liquidity. Now
And
you've created a
now it's
new
coming back
low.
up.
You're looking
Yeah,
for something that comes back up into this zone and
yeah,
back down out to sweep all this
yeah. All
liquidity down
this,
here at the
yeah,
bottom.
down here. Yeah.
Again, this is what I'm waiting for to get back up into my zone so I can sell it out.
But that'll allow us to have a second trade because if it comes back up here, turns and comes back down, you'd get another trade down in here as well. Because if it breaks that, I'd be getting to another trade here. Anyway, that's all right. Good. Done. Yeah, let me just see what I got time to work this one. Okay. CAD
And my only
CHF.
suggestion to
Oh,
you is
yeah.
don't take
Okay.
that trade until it gets back up into your zone. Don't
In
set
the
a
zone. Yeah,
limit.
yeah. No, 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 no. No, no. That's what I'm doing. That's what I said to you. I'm
Yeah,
waiting for that. Yeah.
yeah. I like to see
Yeah.
those gold bars starting to form
Because that could
before I
even,
get in.
yeah, because that could even push up and break the high too.
Yeah, it's not likely though, because on the other side of the high to the low where this was created, this is a
Hmm.
pullback, and you're at the 618. Actually, you're at the 618 on the big fib. You're at the 88 on this. So I'm looking at this going, this is pushing down. Also, it has a lower high on the daily time frame.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if this is the lower high before we get the push back up, we have no idea how low we're going to go because that red to on your daily all has to be taken back before it goes
Yeah.
higher.
And you realize, Tom, we're allowing beef into Australia from the US. But the problem is that the US hasn't got enough beef for itself. And our
I
beef
understand
here,
that. And I understand there's going to be problems with tariffs and everything else. I'm only discussing what the screens are telling me now
I know.
because we both know we're going to go one direction and all of a sudden we're going to
Oh,
go
yeah,
another.
yeah, that's
But I mean,
right.
all we can do is take what we can take at the
Yeah.
moment
And what we can
to
see.
enrich ourselves.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
So I'm just saying these are the setups I'm using to catch these trades. You set up your
Yeah.
fib. The minute
Yeah.
you start breaking stuff and making new lows and everything else, set your fib up.
And this is where your patience has to come in.
Exactly right.
Mm.
Exactly right. Because I personally have added the 88 to my fib and I go high to low. So now I'm only looking for trades that are heading towards the
Oh,
619 and I use the 88
right.
to take them.
Oh, we can do that. Hang on a minute. I'll show you. Yeah.
Because
This
man,
is what you're
what a
doing. You're
difference.
saying, okay, you're going. Where the hell is that? Okay. We'll change
Yeah,
this one.
one down.
Oh no, there it is. Yeah, it is there. Okay.
Yeah. So
You got 88. Hang on. But then what you're doing is you're going there.
no, put it back.
Aren't you going there to there?
No, put it back.
Oh, you're still doing that.
Yeah, yeah, at the top.
Okay.
Now drag that bottom down to the very bottom.
What you mean down to there?
To the very bottom.
You mean down
Very
there?
bottom. Yeah. Fix the brick,
What do you mean?
raise it up just one brick.
Oh, one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so as you see, we haven't even crossed the 619 yet. So I'm waiting for this pullback to pull back up into the 88, create a
Yeah.
gold bar, and we're gone.
Oh, okay. Are you using it like that? Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then whatever happens, because my stop is higher than the original gold bar at the top. So
Top.
no matter
Yeah.
what happens, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down,
You
as long as
still
it's going in that
staying.
direction, I don't
Yeah.
care.
Mm.
If it pushes down, pulls back up, comes back into the 88 again, I'll take that trade too. Until it
Yeah,
goes
but
down and gives me what I want.
yeah.
Because we have a lower high on the daily time frame
Yeah.
with
It's a couple of
no
lines down
wicks,
there.
with no wicks on the daily time frame, and it's got to beat. So I'm looking for this thing to just push. So when this pulls back, this will create the wick going into the gold block on the daily time frame to
Mm-hmm.
the 88. It'll touch the gold brick and then push out. It'll look like a wick on the daily time frame, but this will be the push that'll keep the process
Mm.
going on the lower high.
Mm.
That's why I'm saying these fibs have been astronomically changeable to me. It keeps you out of so much crap.
And that's where your patience again comes in.
That's where patience comes in. If it fails here at the white line and doesn't hit that 88, fine. I'll
Yeah.
still take the
Yeah.
gold brick and sell it out.
Yeah. So if you get a gold, the gold indicated to turn, yeah, okay.
Right. Anywhere near this. I'm looking
But
for failure at this
also
point.
too though, if it continues up and it actually breaks the top, then you're not going to be in it anyway because you're only taking sells.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's exactly right. So if this pushes up, taps that white line,
Yeah. And
doesn't hit
keeps
the
going.
88, I'll take it. It may give me
Yeah.
two bricks and fail and start to turn around. I'll get out.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
I'll wait
Yeah.
for it to push back up, make a new
Yeah.
high, or
Yeah. Yeah.
or come up to this
Or
top, and
yeah.
then take it.
Yeah.
But that's my top. It can't go higher than this top. Otherwise, I'm just not in the trade no matter what.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, do yourself a favor, take a rectangle. Where's the last brick high that it has to beat to stay under to keep going down? You see your high?
Yeah. You reckon these?
Those two right there. Nope, nope, nope. The gold bricks. Gold bricks.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Oh, those
In order to keep going down, it has to stay under that. So what it tends to
under it. Yeah.
do
Yeah.
is it will come back and tap it with a wick and push off,
Yeah.
or
And
create a
yeah.
gold box here underneath it or something.
Mm-hmm.
But that's what I'm looking for.
Mm. Yeah.
Because you've created a gold box down at that green line. If there was no green box and it was just wicking up and down, I would go with the color in the direction it's going. So in this case, it'd be white and green and let it continue. If there's a gold box, you're going to have some sort of pullback, some sort.
Yeah. The cold indicate. Yeah. Exactly.
It could be two bricks and turn around and go back down.
Yeah.
It'll form a new gold box.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Mm. All right. Welcome, Darren.
And
Too.
what's going to happen underneath that 88? Hi, Darren. Didn't mean to interrupt you guys. What's going to
No,
happen
so
underneath that 88? You're going to
yeah.
get a crossover. The white line and the green line are going to go up,
Yeah.
down, up, and
Go
down, up, down,
cross
and
over. Yeah. Yeah.
cross and come
Yeah.
out the bottom.
Yeah. Just like they did there and come out here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Because that'll turn and it'll cross over somewhere in here.
And it'll bounce and bounce and bounce and eventually hit that
Yeah.
88
Yeah.
before it goes.
Okay. Well, it's got time. We've got time.
Yeah, exactly. It's going to tell you when it's going to go because it's just going to fail.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, CAD, CHF. And don't particularly. I think this will sell. Look at it and just knock me out. And then now it's going back down. We don't have a short yet. So it's going up and down, up and down. Yeah. All right. KJ, I'm losing a bit on. Look at this. Close to me stop. Look how much I had. Like 7% on it now. back to oh yeah. That's okay. It's the way things work sometimes. There's no way I would have thought that would have turned, but anyway, it does. All right, and CHF JPY, I'm in that too. That's obviously that's knocked me out. Okay, gone, gone. That's okay. Quite, yeah. Well, there's JPYs. All right, you're AUD. What is going to happen here? Goes up and down. I'm looking for the sellout though. Oh no, it probably won't. It'll buy. It will buy, I think. Look at how much is down here though, but in the short term, we're looking at guys. Yeah, I'm not willing to do too much here. We've got crossover there. It looks like it's wanting to do another crossover here. Nah. And NZD will be the same. Right, Euro CAD. Wow. Got a double top up here, Tom.
Mm-hmm. Do you have a break of structure?
Uh no, not on these. I mean the break
No,
structure from back down here, but
no. The double top at the top, the
yeah,
push, did that break structure?
no.
It did.
Oh, it
You
broke
see the
this
gold
structure. Yeah,
bar?
yeah, 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 yeah. It
Yeah.
did that one. Yeah, okay.
So from your inner high brick to your inner lower brick,
Mm-hmm.
put your fib on. Anything that comes back to that zone, sell it out.
Yes, okay.
Or if you think it's going to buy,
No, I
flip your
don't think
fib
it.
over.
Yeah, I don't know whether it
Now,
will.
which is more likely, it going up and taking that double top or pushing down?
I don't know at this point.
Right. You don't know at this point, right?
No, no, I don't know.
So we're going to let this run, just run.
To see if it does take that.
Because here's the thing, when this runs, it's going
Oh,
to
we'll get
tap
it.
that 618.
Yeah, yeah,
If
and
it's
we're
going to
gonna.
buy up, it's not going to beat that 618.
Yeah, yeah, we're
If
gonna
it's
get a
going to sell
gold.
down, it's not going to beat that 88.
Yeah, but we're gonna get a gold indicator, and then that will be a turn.
Now, you
Yeah,
could get a gold bar
one
right
of these.
here. Yeah, you could get a
Yeah,
gold bar right here.
yeah, which means it'll turn and sell.
No, because it could come down, take one
One brick.
brick, and on the second brick in that row, leave another
Go
gold
back
bar and
up.
take off again.
Yeah.
It could match out that bottom brick right there. You just don't know. So that's why I'm
There's
saying, unless it's working off that fib.
yeah. It's interesting though too. I'm just looking at like here, you get one, so that's that 1, 2, 3 before when it goes up and down before you get another gold one here. Like for example, even over here, when you get a gold, when you get the indicator, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, over here, like 1, 2, 3. It's like a 3 minimum that it does before you get another gold. Let's say it's 1, 2, 3. You got 4 there. So yes, you could get a gold brick, and yes, it could come down maybe 1, 2, and then come back up again.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't. Well, maybe it's only this pair, but nowhere can I see it that it's just done one brick and then basically golden turned.
Right
It
there.
does it where?
Open that up a little bit. Keep going. Stop right there.
Yeah,
Right in the middle, the two gold
there.
bricks together in the blue. Just a little over. One more. There's your gold brick. One
Yeah,
brick.
1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2. There's two there. There's none where you get a single and then it goes yellow back the other way. I haven't seen that. That's what I'm saying. Like if that yellow was up here, was on that, well, understandable, like it's just the one in between. But I don't see it anywhere. There's only one brick in between
Right.
on any of these. See, 1, 2, and then you get the gold
Yep.
brick. Like, 1, 2, 3 there. It just somehow it does. It's got to have at least a couple of bricks in there. It won't do just the one. So that's all I was saying. I'm not trying to disagree with you, Tom, but if you get a gold there, it'll come down at least 1, 2 before it would actually turn if it's going to do that and get another gold indicator. Mm. And I remember you saying that they actually create out the brick. Is that correct? I mean, once the brick is, so we could get a yellow right here now.
No, it doesn't create when the brick's done. It creates the brick when when that's the next one's forming, the second one down is forming,
Right, right.
it'll start showing up.
Yeah, and what? Normally around a wick as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Normally. I mean,
Normally, yeah, I know there's
plenty of
wick
cases where
here,
there's
but
no
there's no
wick.
wick there. Yeah, I
Yeah.
know. I understand that. But it's common that it's around a wick as well.
Mm-hmm.
Wick there, it's not guaranteed. All right, no worries. So you're a CAD. Yeah.
So if this is a double top, I'm looking for this to push up, sweep that double top,
Yeah.
reset my fib,
Yeah.
and look for a new failure, which means I
Okay.
won't be in this short until it meets my criteria. It's keeping me
Yeah.
out of a bad trade.
Out of bed trade, yeah. Okay, cool. So it's a lot of it's got to do with you now is about timing.
Yeah,
It's
exactly. I
that
just want to
patience
be
and
in
timing.
right timing in the right direction is all I'm looking for.
Well, okay, USCHF. And
Those trades finally closed on Euro CHF, the EA, Brian.
yeah, see a
It's
push
had
back up. Yeah.
weeks.
Oh, there've been weeks in that trade.
Yeah.
What was that
As soon
EA?
as it, that was the one that originally was going berserk, and
Oh yeah,
IC
yeah.
Markets sent
Yeah.
me the
And you
So
said it's
as soon as it
medium
hit,
or something.
Yeah, as soon as it hit 1% profit, it just closed all positions.
Oh yeah.
Sells and buys, just closed them all, and
But
then
you just got to be patient with them.
yeah.
They do their thing. Okay. Oh, that's good. Good news.
Yeah, it was all
Now,
very
now to
not
get ready
particularly
to get
dramatic,
into it. Yeah. Now wait to get into more trades, and then you'll be waiting with
well,
them.
fairly quickly it opened. Prices pushed up. It fairly quickly opened a fresh buy trade, and then not long after that, it opened another sell. So
Yeah.
it's now
Okay.
buy and a sell open again. It's interesting to understand what's actually going on with it. In terms of what the EA
I
is
think
doing.
sometimes, Darren, we just don't understand how they've set them up to actually operate.
Yeah.
Maybe
So
they just need to be a mystery and we don't need to work it out as long as they're profitable.
I think that's the idea, because they want to sell it, don't they? They don't want you working it out and
Yeah.
creating your own. So
Well, I don't think I'm of the standard to be able to
no,
make
no,
my.
I'm certainly not. No, I'm certainly not.
This is, yeah. I'm not convinced to either sell or buy this at the moment. Okay, Yo GBP. Look at that. Look at the drop on that, and then this big push back up again. I think the British pound's still in trouble, though. Did we get a rate cut? Did they cut that? Oh, we don't know yet. Oh no, it's not until the 7th. Okay.
Yeah, later this
It's
week.
later on this week. Okay. Maybe they're setting themselves up ready. Push it up further. Yeah, it's broken structure there. Up, pull back down. Oh, it would have been, yeah, anyway. All right, Euro JPY. That also is pull back down. All the JPYs have everything against JPY is weakened off. Majority. Okay, Euro NZD, that's like the AUD. Oh no, hang on a minute. Euro AUD. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah. Euro NZD doing the same thing. Got a line there now. That's a convincing push up. And we've got this now a little bit of a stall. I think it's going to go further up. I think into buys. I'll wait for a pullback and then see what we get. We can get a gold here, pull back home. Where's that fib? We'll go from here. It's already up at the 88, Tom.
Mm-hmm.
It's only whether it breaks the top or whether it just comes here and then drops back off. I think we'll get a bit of a. Oh, well, I don't know. I have a feeling that it'll pull back a bit and then go and break the top. All right, you're Singapore, which you guys don't trade. That's also, look at this, 1, 2, 3 across there. Same situation. Let's have a look. Fib up there to there. I know you guys don't trade this. I'll just leave that to see. All right, Euro USD. Oh, get a little bit of a sell now. It's pretty volatile, isn't it? That one there is where Sharpshooter went and got into trouble. Pushed further up. How's Sharpshooter now, Darren?
Yeah, it's just back redoing what it was doing before the.
Humming along.
I did watch Petco's video that you mentioned. Yeah.
Oh
So
yeah, I never got a chance. So What was the upshot?
He was sort of saying that with hindsight, he should have set the change the stop loss to
a lower.
yeah, um, because historically the maximum drawdown's been like 4.5%.
Yeah. So why let it go way past that? Yeah.
I have 35%.
Yeah.
He should have added to I forget what he said at 5% or something. Maybe that would be a bit tight, I think. But
Yeah.
see the logic of setting it at sort of 6 or 7%.
Yeah.
It's fairly
So
safe.
he's following what they were saying in the Discord then.
Yeah, yeah, I suppose it was, yeah, yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll have to be stepping into that breach, I think. Let's see how we go. All right. Oh, and have you got? Oh, no, you did. You got happy gold.
Yeah, again, I still haven't done anything. I printed off the
Have you
manual.
worked?
It's
Yeah,
quite
you worked
complicated.
out your VPSs or?
Well, yes, the main VPS I'm using, it can actually add gigabytes at for an extra $5 a month, I can add quite a lot
Oh, okay.
of gigabytes to it. So that's what I'm probably going to do. But it's blocking me. It's blocked me from doing it until because it's on a monthly cycle. I'm
Oh,
too close to the renewal date.
right,
There's an automated message saying can't upgrade at this time because the invoice has been generated.
right.
So until
Who's
that,
that? Is that FXVM or?
no, that was was it? I think Dipgate or something.
Huh?
One of
Never
them.
heard of that.
Dipgate.
Okay, never heard
Uh,
of that VPS. Okay,
so or like that's the cat won't even let me onto the upgrade page.
yeah,
I'm not
yeah,
using.
yeah. It's fair enough
Cannot currently
too.
upgrade or downgrade. It's probably because an invoice has been generated. But just before that message, like I think yesterday, I looked and it was sort of $5 and get an extra 20 gigabytes or something, which would
Yeah,
be more than enough. So that's why I
yeah.
probably
Okay. Oh, that's good then. Yeah, I was going to say there must be an upgrade option that's better
yeah
than trying to get another one. So
yeah.
they want to add it on. All right. Well, Euro USD. Let's see it do its thing. GA. God. All right. Let's wait and watch. I think, yeah, I think we're going to go into sell. Still, maybe shorter term. All right. GCAD, same, doing sideways. GBP CHF, I'm still in that. And that's still selling. It has pulled up a little bit. Yeah. I'm still just going to wait for that to sell further. Now, GJ was the one we were talking about yesterday. Didn't pull back. Look at that. Oh, it did, and then dropped off again. But you don't see it up in this. It's sort of broken down past that trend now. So, what are your thoughts, Tom? We're
I
on
have my
this
fib
this.
on and I'm waiting for it to come back.
Okay.
We have a lower
I
high on the
think,
daily.
yeah, I think this will come down to the trend line though. It'll come down to here, touch it, and then potentially pull back off. I think longer term we're going to be looking at sell. I think
Yeah,
this
we're
is
not
swing,
ready for a longer term though yet.
but that's a swing high up here. I don't think it'll break that top. Do you think it
Okay.
will?
Yes, eventually.
Okay. Oh yeah, but yeah, okay. Yep.
Yeah, right there.
Depends
So
on
down in,
timing.
so I'm looking for a push down to the green line, a pull back, not to beat
Yeah.
my trend line.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then
It'll
push
be
back down.
somewhere. It'll be somewhere up above the 619 on my fib. Get a
Okay.
gold brick. I'll wait
Where
for
are
it to push
you where are
down
you putting your fib from too?
from the top.
From here. Up
No,
here.
yep, down to the bottom, wherever that's going to be, which is usually
Ah,
the. I in this case, because you've already broke structure down here,
yeah. Yeah.
I would use the gold brick it has not broke. Correct. If it
Well,
keeps going down, 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 down,
yeah.
down,
I think it
that's your
will.
first run. Wherever you get your gold brick on the push,
No. Yeah, I reckon it'll go to there.
well, wherever it is, it could be down, 10 more
Yeah, yeah.
bricks.
Yeah, yeah.
That's your
Yep, yep.
first push.
Yeah.
And then I'm looking for it to come back up into my zone and push out
Yeah.
again.
And then push it. Yeah. Okay. GN. Same as the GAs. Not look at this. It's pretty messy there. I look at all of these. No, I don't even want to. GBP Singapore. Oh my God, that's still going. And GU. Right. Yeah, pull back up. Why? Do you think move around, don't they? Let's see. Pull back up here, potentially drop back off. Where's your few? So yeah, it's right at that 619. Okay.
Yeah, but don't do that to yourself. Go from the high,
You want it from up here.
yeah, to the very low to your left. You're trying to trade the bigger picture, not the single move.
Okay.
So all you're looking for is failure
Mm-hmm. At the
between these two boxes
yeah.
be above the 619
Mm-hmm.
because you actually have your pullback that failed. See the wick?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
unless
Yeah.
this now turns and pulls all the way back up and makes a new high, it's going to
Yeah.
fail somewhere
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
inside that
In here.
88
Yeah. Yeah. And then drop off.
and then drop off.
Okay.
Or it just continuously pulls back up, 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 and breaks the high.
Yeah, absolutely. There's two options on it. Oh, three. It could just consolidate and go up and down for a while too.
Right, but when it fails, you'll see it because it's 50% of the last move.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think we'll pull up and then I think the rate decision will drop it off. Okay. NZD CAD. Too choppy. NZD
This is the other one
CAD.
I'm waiting to get into.
NCAD.
Mm-hmm.
What for?
For a sell. See your
Okay,
double
so it's
bottom
maybe
here?
high. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. You reckon it'll break that? Pull
I'm
back
looking
up.
at that. It wouldn't surprise me if it pulled back up and created a gold box above it, right where
Yeah,
it's
okay.
at,
Yeah,
breaking that red wick, get the gold box and then push out. I wouldn't be surprised by that. But it's going to
okay.
grab this liquidity.
Yeah, down here.
All this line is going to be wiped out before it takes off because it's going to push. You're going to get a straight line, and then it's going to have to up and down, up and down, up and down, all the way back up, correcting itself as
Mm,
it goes.
mm, mm.
See your triple top above? One, two,
Mm.
three. Actually, there's four of them right there. Yeah, that whole section right there. It just does not want to beat that section. So I'm looking at a push down and then a hard push up to
Yeah.
wipe out all that.
Yeah.
So it's the accumulation, the manipulation will be the push down, and then
Yeah.
distribution will be back up.
Up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and you can see where it's created a lower high. The option here is to break that, potentially break that, or push up and then not break the high there and then push back down again. Okay.
Mhm.
All right, we'll keep an eye on that then. NZDCHF. And it's pull back up. I think it'll sell. One. Okay, NJ. Got kicked out of that one. Just come back down to that line, hasn't it? Broken the trend. Like a triple top up here. Gives you a very different view, doesn't it, to standard candles? Look at this. It shows you that there's like a triple top up here.
Mhm.
Where this you wouldn't know.
Right.
I think we're going to get a turn here. This will come back up. We'll get this trend line back down. We'll start doing the sellout on that. All right. NU. Same thing here. It's starting to happen here already. Got that turns pushing back up here. Lower high. That'll be the swing high there. I don't think it'll break that. And then basically on the way back down. Singapore Japanese yen, I'm still in, and it's like I'm just at break even on it, basically. I was up by, 5%. Hopefully that stop loss will hold and it'll push back up on us. Maybe not. Anyway, UCAD. Break down to the double bottom down there. This didn't want to break it. It's pushed up. Let's see. You reckon this will buy? I think this will buy. Wait for the pullback. Are you doing bigger fib on this, or will we do the shorty on it?
Well, I'm doing
Okay.
high to low because
Yeah.
I want a bigger move up.
Yeah. Oh, but I think it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So I mean, you
Oh,
could
what?
leave this here if it gets down into the 88s and buy it out or whatever. Whatever you
Yeah.
want to do, that's one thing. I'm just saying I'm taking it from the high,
Yeah. Okay.
way at the top,
Yeah. Yeah.
down to the very
Yeah.
low two gold bricks that couldn't
Yeah.
be beat because we've now broke structure.
I'll put another one on just for the fun of it.
Yeah, it's going to confuse the hell out of you.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah, except flip it over now.
Ah, yes, exactly.
See, you're bouncing around in the 88. So this
Yeah.
pullback should come back to the 88 someplace,
All the 61.
not beat these three low bricks,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and take off back up.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I'm looking for it to buy. Okay. USDCHF.
That's the other one I'm sitting here waiting for
To buy.
to sell.
You reckon that'll sell?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so. Okay. No, let's see if it does. I think it'll anyway. Okay. UJ.
Well, look at it this way.
Right. Yep.
Uh, do your high to low, is your trend bar still going down? No, no. You have a fib on there. I'm sorry, I didn't
Yeah, I
see
got
it.
it down there. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, flip it around.
Oh, hang on. Hang on. I'm going to do this. Get rid of that. Yeah. Flip that one around.
Yeah.
That's only because you think it's okay, no worries.
Well, no, you have a gold brick, so it's going down now. So flip your fib around. There
Uh,
you go. Raise it to the top. Right, one brick up to your left, to the gold one. Right there, because that failed to beat it.
yeah, yeah.
So I'm looking now for this to continue the buy down because we're still selling. So anything below that white box that you got there on that gold brick
Yeah,
that goes
yeah.
across. So now for me, price has to push, pull back, tap that box, and continue down. Because you've
Mm.
already made it to your 88 on the top of the gold brick. See it up there? Oh, that's an old fib. That's why
It is. That's right.
you
I'll
don't
get rid
have
of
the
it.
you don't
I'll
have
get
the
rid
new
of it. I'll
fib.
do a new one. Oops, wrong way.
That's all right.
Oh, it's not doing it. Okay. Oh, I didn't. Okay.
Uh,
I'll still at it. So hang on a sec. I just got to put it in. There you go.
okay, so pull it to the top and pull it to the bottom. Go.
Further.
Yeah, no, just like that.
Oh no, just that. Yeah, yeah. Enter there.
Right. Now you're working back and forth in between these two because this is your new high and your new low within this
Mm-hmm.
zone. So if you're looking for it to sell, you're only looking for trades coming up and above that
Yeah, yeah.
619 now because you've already
Yeah,
touched
yeah.
the
And
88.
then yeah, and then come back down.
You're looking for this white line coming down to cross over inside the 619 zone to zero as it comes down in order to buy. In the meantime, you're only taking sells because you are on a overall downtrend. So if this does pull back up and doesn't beat this 88 and then doesn't beat the 619 and continues down, well
Yeah,
then we're still going down.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm all I did was say, okay, if it's at the 88 now, I have to assume that we're still going down.
Yeah, okay.
So if we're going to go down, we're going to beat this gold middle box, right?
Mm. Mm-hmm.
So my entry is at the top of the gold box. I haven't triggered in yet.
Mm.
And my stop is above that white bar. So even if it only goes down to the bottom of the bricks, doesn't break them, I'm still picking up almost 5%.
Yeah, I'm in two minds on this one. We'll see. I'm not going to get into on follow you anyway on what you're doing with it, and then we'll see how that outcomes. UJ, oh, we've got time wise. Okay, better get moving. Well, Trevor, there you might be right with the USDC actually. USD in Singapore also come off, and gold has pushed back up. Yeah, you're probably right, Tom. Silver, let's push back up. Bitcoin's down to 114 and still sort of coming back a bit. And oil, oh, it's dropped back off to 66. Yes. Lovely. We'll see how that moves. Or not. It's gone past there. I think it'll break down past here now. Well, you got double bottom. We'll just see if it turns right now or not. It's because the observation's the same across every pair, isn't it, Tom? Really?
Exactly the same.
Exactly the same. That's right. All right. Anything else, Darren? Any revelations?
Not at the moment.
Sorry?
Not at the moment. Well,
Not at the moment. Have you made any withdrawals out of iPhones yet? Or
no. Yeah.
that'll probably be if there's no hiccups, that will be probably about 3 months or so before you can. 3 months, roughly?
I think it is. I might reach a point where I then possibly purchase another account, use the profits from that to get another account, or upgrade that one and sort of build it up for a while first. That's my sort of thinking.
Okay.
Maybe have
All
sort of
right.
a bunch of these iPhones accounts. Now you think if you got to the stage, for example, if you sort of got 10 of them, for example, all
Yeah.
sort of 10K each, all ticking along nicely for you, it's you know, each making a 2% a month.
You've been lying in bed dreaming of this, haven't you?
Well,
You're planning it.
I'm just sort of formulating the plan in my mind as to how to as to how to build those up really.
Yeah, okay.
You've got
You've
to
got to
sort
have
of
a
stick with it as well, not sort of give up at the first sort of
hiccup.
one of the EAs. You've got to sort of stick with it and
Yeah.
sort of learn from it, really.
But they're all vulnerable, aren't they, Darren? I mean, every one of those EAs could, you know, give you a loss. It's just like any normal trading. You can't win every trade. I mean, it's as simple as that. So, um, but it's how you diversify.
Yeah. Well, that's it. That's what I want to do. Diversify first before I start sort of. I've adjusted the stop loss on the iFunds account. 'Cause it seems totally pointless having it at 17.5% when
Yeah.
10% is the maximum. So I've set that at the moment. I've set it at 9%. So
Right. Okay.
otherwise it'll just blow the account, won't it? If it's
Yeah.
so at least you've then got a chance of maybe trying to recover it. So
Yeah, but the crawback would be very difficult. If
it
you
would be.
if you
It
actually
would
have a
be.
9 and you got one
It would be a
percent
real
left,
crawl.
the crawback to actually you've got to make all of that loss back plus get back in it. It's like
Yeah,
that's a hard ask, I think, because then you see in that light, if it has, say, for example, the maximum is 3%, it has, and it has a 3% drawdown, like that's it, you're gone.
yeah. I mean, you'd have to sort of go to sort of absolute minimum lot sizes or something, and just very slowly, or you could just maybe you could just scale up to a larger account, or
Mm,
just sort of bypass it that way or something. Um,
yeah. Go big.
yeah,
Go, what
start.
is it? Go big or go home.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Okay.
good. All right then. I
All right.
will I will see you guys tomorrow then. Take it easy.
See you.
All right, take
Ciao.
care.